What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're checking out a brand new Indian restaurant in Kampot. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without see. Meet people, eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
And if you're wondering about a landmark on Street 710, right by 722 bar. Alright, it's called Delhi Darbar restaurant. Let's go take a look. So here's a big sign with all the pictures, and it's also a guest house. Restaurant and guest house. So I ordered a chicken curry, and then they said they can show me upstairs. We'll take a look at the rooms in the guest house. Ceiling fan, has AC. There's a window and a desk in the bathroom. And here's another room. It's a bit more space in here. Ceiling fan and a balcony. So up higher, there's a bit better view. Better view up here. Air conditioner. Bathroom. So it's pretty similar to the one downstairs, but now we're a floor up higher. There's one without a balcony and one with a balcony. Chicken dishes, veggie, biryani, thali, which is like a mix of a bunch of different dishes, paneer. So they're telling me they just opened this place less than 1 month ago, and everything is homemade in the back, and the guest rooms are available right now. It's delicious. It's really good flavor. This bread tastes awesome too. You also get some little bit of a salad here. It's like tomato, raw onion, and cucumber. And it's really refreshing to go with the curry. Okay, bye-bye.
This is really side restaurant.
So yeah, overall I'd highly recommend that place. They were really good guys, really nice guys. It's brand new. They only opened a month ago. So the rooms in the guest house are brand new. No one stayed in them before, and it's very clean. They said the prices for the rooms, they vary between 10 or 12 or 15, you know, depending on the floor and the size of the room and if you have the balcony or not. And then the downstairs is an Indian restaurant, so you've got food whenever you need it. There's a few other Indian restaurants in town, and some are quite popular, and Delhi Darbar is quite new. And so he was telling me what differentiates them from the others is they're from a different part of India. Their recipes is from Delhi, and some of the other restaurants in town, their recipes and types of dishes come from a different part of India. So if you love Indian food and you want to try a different spin on it, then Delhi Darbar would be great. And then check out their cheap rooms if you need a place to stay as well. They were so nice and generous to me for showing up to make a video that they wouldn't let me pay for the lunch. Really worth the money for if you saw everything I got there, and they make it fresh in the back, homemade. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.